Okay, if that's not the case, then I would do it this way.
No. We're no longer friends. Okay? Actually, I don't think we were ever friends because we're not even Facebook friends, okay?
So what's up today? What's going on? What's the topic for today?
I got a topic, Russ. I've got a topic.
Okay.
I want you to put this in the proper order of best to worst, okay? The top three.
Oh, this is like a school test.
No, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Here. I need you to tell me from best to worst the top 3 pizza chains. Okay? In no particular order, I'll list them. You need to rate Pizza Hut, Little Caesars, and Domino's. And if you get this wrong, I'm going to disown you as a friend. Okay?
Pizza Hut, Domino's, and Little Caesars?
Yes, just put them. There's only 6 combinations. And you know, where you put one of them will determine if I disown you or not, okay? So think about it. Give it a few seconds.
I feel like I'm doing the ACT or the SATs. Okay, all right. Pizza Hut, Domino's, or Little Caesars. Mm-hmm. Okay. Do I have to quantify why I chose those?
No. Just put them in the correct order. This is like Price is Right, okay? And then we'll ask the audience or whatever. Okay?
Okay. I would say Pizza Hut, Domino's, and then Little Caesars.
Hang up the phone now. Hang this up. Hang it up.
Okay, if that's not the case, then I would do it this way.
No. We're no longer friends. Okay? Actually, I don't think we were ever friends because we're not even Facebook friends, okay? We're not even Facebook friends.
We aren't.
No loss. There you go. Oh my gosh. So you put
Okay. All right, let me switch it. Then it would be Domino's, Pizza Hut, then Little Caesars.
Wait. You're saying Domino's as number 1?
Well, you didn't like my Pizza Hut answer.
No. Okay. Here's the correct answer for everybody. Okay, for everybody. The correct answer is any combination as long as Domino's is last. As long as you make Domino's last, I trust your opinion with food. That's it.
Okay. You have to understand, I have not had a Domino's pizza probably in a good 20 years.
That's okay. That's fine. That is fine. Which makes me wonder why you didn't shove it at the bottom. Because if you haven't been there in 20 years, they were worse 20 years ago.
I'm going based on memory, but no, Little Caesars has got to be on the bottom.
No. Well, I could make an argument on why they're not. Okay, but why? Yes. Little Caesars can be compared to real pizza in Chicago. Yes, they are. You know, actually, all of them, all 3 of them are at the bottom if you compare it to real pizza in Chicago. Okay, all the chains are no match for Chicago pizza, for any other, what is it? Mom and pop pizza places. But yeah, there's an argument Little Caesars could be at the bottom, but the end.
How would you have ranked it then? You would have put it Pizza Hut, then Little Caesars, then Domino's.
Believe it or not,
how would you have done it?
I would rate Little Caesars at top. At the top. No. I'll tell you why. Because Pizza Hut. If you look at here, let's look at a picture. Let's see what we have for Pizza Hut here. There's
Pizza Hut has a greasy bottom.
Sometimes they do. Sometimes they do. The only reason why I'm talking more about Pizza Hut is because I had to attend these birthday parties, these children's birthday parties, and I had a lot of
That's
Pizza
the only
Hut.
time to order it.
Okay, yeah.
That's the only time to order something like that.
So there's something wrong with the sausage. Sausage is something wrong. The bread is there's something off. Same with Domino's. There's just something. Sausage. You've had real sausage from a non-chain place. That's what sausage is, right? That's what it tastes like. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's what it tastes like. But for some reason, this stuff doesn't look like it. Okay? Some reason the chains don't make it look like it. And it must be over processed or something. So I have to rate it lower.
So what is your top 3 rating then? How would you have rated them again?
Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, and Domino's. And I think I rate Little Caesars because I think it's because they make the dough daily. They make it fresh. I think that's the edge of why it tastes different. But as for everything else, yes, I also see the argument why it's at the total bottom.
Do you order the $5 pizza?
Oh,
they have like a ready or a quick and ready or whatever they call it.
Anything that's available, but I am not ordering the $9 pizza on the commercial. Okay, let's go. Let's go look that up.
Okay, let me clarify these 3 things. Okay, Pizza Hut, I have not been there probably in a good, I don't know, maybe 8 years, something like that. Little Caesars, I only get when relatives happen to buy it for a party or something like that, but I don't go out and buy it myself. And Domino's, I have not had in a long time, good 20 years.
Wait, Russ.
I can't.
Wait, hold on. Do you want to try a Domino's pizza right now? No. You can try it right now. Go and get an Amazon cardboard box, okay, and put ketchup on it. Put ketchup on it and some American cheese. It doesn't matter, but that's what it tastes like 20 years ago, okay? Jeez.
Well, Domino's was known because it was quick delivery. That was their main thing.
Yeah.
We have fast delivery, right? Pizza Hut was known because they're just a big chain. I mean, they're huge. And Little Caesars, I mean, what are they known for? Pizza.
The commercials, I guess.
What are they known for?
$5 pizzas? I mean, they're
$5 pizzas, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, you didn't mention Papa John's.
No. The top 3, old.
I'm not a Papa John's guy either.
Well,
Okay, let's put it this way. I'm not into any of these pizzas. I gotta have things like Lou Malnati's, or I've got to have. Okay, all right. I go to Costco a lot for pizza, right? Only because it's quick, it's fast. I'm close by. Yeah. I can get in, I can get out. But other than that, I would not typically order that. But the big 3 chain pizzas, I haven't really gone there. Not in a long time.
Okay.
And you don't even see commercials anymore from these guys. I've noticed. Have you noticed commercials?
No, they're actively there. They're actively there. I mean, that could also be a correlation that you don't watch as much television. Yeah,
I don't.
I mean, they have it on sports. They've got commercials during sports events and stuff like that.
Yeah, I don't watch a whole lot.
But they
TV.
still have Little Caesars commercials, which is funny. I think I'm gonna watch them on YouTube because I can't catch them. I can't catch them on regular TV.
I watch mostly YouTube. It's amazing. I do. I watch mostly YouTube. All right, sum this thing up. What do you think?
Okay. It doesn't matter what order you have, what 6 combinations you have, as long as Domino's is on the bottom. Okay? And if it is on the bottom, then at least there's a baseline that I can trust you on making food choices. With that, I have to jump out right now, okay, Russ? I'm gonna roll out slowly. Okay, here goes.
He's
Bye.
out of here.
Bye.
He's leaving. That leaves me again. Okay, you guys, let us know. Is he correct? Is Domino's on the bottom? Of the 3, we're picking 3. Okay, make a comment below. Let me know. Do you agree with what he's saying? He's doing Domino's, Pizza Hut, and then Little Caesars. I'm sorry, no, he's not doing that. He's putting Domino's on the bottom. Whatever. See if you agree with him, or my choice was originally Pizza Hut, Domino's, and Little Caesars. Comment below. And if you like these videos, hit the like button and definitely hit the subscribe button. And hit the little bell icon because that'll tell you when new videos come out. Talk to you guys next time.